Have you noticed that often our eyeshadow palettes have certain shades that remain untouched and then there are those that hit the pan? Wondering how to make the most out of your eyeshadow palette? Then you've come to the right place. Hi guys, I'm Nia and today I'm going to show you 3 easy eye looks using one eyeshadow palette. But before that, if you are new to our BeBeautiful channel, then go ahead and subscribe right now and also ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated with our latest videos. And now, let's begin. Okay, so as a rule, before creating any eye look, I like to start off by prepping my eyelids, and for that, you can go ahead and dot some foundation or concealer all over your eyelids. Then blend it out and then set this with some loose powder. Okay, so now let me show you this very versatile eyeshadow palette that I have been loving, and this is the palette that I'm going to be using to create today's eye looks. This is the Lakme Absolute Spotlight eyeshadow palette in Stilettos. I love this because it has a wide range of colors. Some of them are metallic, some of them are matte. And then there are really bright colors as well, like this cranberry, cyan, blue, all sorts of colors are there in this particular palette, which means that you're going to be able to create a wide range of eye looks that are going to suit a wide range of outfits and occasions. So the first eye look that I'm going to show you is a really soft cranberry eye look. For this, I'm going to start off by dipping into this light beige color using a blending brush, and I'm going to use this color as my transition color for this eye look. Then I'm going to dip into this beautiful cranberry shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids using a tapered blending brush for precise application. Then go ahead and trim the lower lash line with the cranberry shade first, and then below the cranberry shade, apply the light beige color for a soft transition. Now it's time to add some glitz into this eye look. So for that, I'm going to use this cranberry metallic shade and I'm going to apply it on the inner corner area of the eye. But before that, I'm going to spritz some water on a flat shader brush. This is what is going to enhance the pigment of the eyeshadow. So make sure that you apply it on the inner corner area and also apply the same metallic cranberry shade on the lower part of the inner corners as well. After this, I'm going to create tiny wings to elongate the shape of my eye. And then of course finish off with a few coats of mascara, and this eye look is done. I think this eye look is such a beautiful eye look for a date night, and I also feel the best part is that the colors that I've used in this eye look are going to suit a wide range of Indian skin tones. For my next eye look, I'm going to create a really easy bronze smoky eye. For this, I'm going to start off by dipping into this light beige color and then using a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to apply it all over the crease area. Now the next step is to define the crease area. For this, use a tapered blending brush, dip into this reddish cranberry shade and start applying it only on the crease area. After this, I'm going to dip into this beautiful metallic bronze shade and apply it all over the eyelids. And then for the inner corners of the eyes, I'm going to dip into the champagne shade. This will really help open up the eyes. For the lower waterline, apply a black kajal and smoke it out. For the lower lash line, apply the same cranberry shade for a soft smoky transition. Of course, finish off with a few coats of mascara and your easy bronze smoky eye is complete. Come on. Now for my last eye look, I'm going to show you how you can add a pop of color in any eye look. For instance, I have done this bronze smoky eye, but if I wanted to add some color into this eye look, then I'll have to make some tweaks. Let me show you what those tweaks are. First off, start off by wiping off all the colors from the lower waterline and lash line. After that, I'm going to dip into this blue color to create a half-winged eyeliner on the outer edge of the eye. But before that, spritz some water on the angled brush and then dip into the blue color. To create the half-winged eyeliner, start from the center of the iris and trace a line all the way till you reach the edge of the eye. Ensure that the starting point of this eyeliner has a pointy tip as well for an edgy look. Once you reach the edge of the eye, create a wing. Then take a smudger brush and smoke out the blue color eyeshadow. Finish off with a few coats of mascara, and with that your third eye look is done. And that's how you create 3 eye looks using one eyeshadow palette. So what do you think about these 3 eye looks? Which one is your favorite? Tell me all about it in the comment section below. It's time for me to go, but as usual, make sure that you like and share this video, and you also subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. And while you're still at it, make sure that you ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, bye guys.